Hello, this is Saksana from Just Tutors, and today in this video we are going to learn about linear equations in one variable. The topic of the objective of this video will be linear equations. So we will introduce ourselves with linear equations and some terms associated with it. Moving ahead, we have some warm-up questions. Pause the video, give them a try. So here are your answers for these warm-up questions. I hope your answers are correct. Let's start with algebraic expressions. What are these? An algebraic expression is a mathematical expression that consists of variables, numbers, and operations. Operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. An algebraic expression is a branch of mathematics made up of variables and constants along with operations. Expressions are made up of terms, and it is to be noted that an expression has no sides or equal to sign, just like having algebraic equation. Means, as you can see here in this example, we have 4x minus 7 equals to 5. Because it consists equal sign in between in this, so it is an algebraic equation, or we can just simply say it equation. What is expression? Expression is a combination of terms having constant variables and operations without equal sign, this much part. It is an algebraic expression. In this expression, this is called coefficient. It is constant, but because it is sitting together or multiplied by a variable, so it is coefficient of the variable. This is constant, this is operation, and they all are known as terms. Let's have a quick view. Constants means the terms which have their own fixed values are constants. Variables, letters or the missing letters we use for missing values are known as variables. Algebraic operations, and this is algebraic expression 4x plus 9y plus z. This is algebraic expression, and if I put something to its equal on the other side, say it is equal to 10, as soon as I put any equal sign here, it will turn to an algebraic equation like this. Yeah, so moving ahead, we will discuss some terms related to it. Now, various terms associated with linear equations. A term can either be an individual number like 2, 3, 4, etc., pi, or a variable like x, y, z, m, n, any alphabet, and or numbers and variables multiplied together. Let's say 2m, 3p, 5xy, like this. They are terms. So here we can say a term can be any of the following: a constant, the product of number, that is coefficient, and a variable, the product of two or more variables, like this, like xy, 7xy we can see here, x square y, m square p square. These all are terms. Now, what are like terms? Like terms are terms that differ only in their numerical coefficients. Example, 3a and 22a. In this, their numerical coefficient is changing, but the variable stays the same. If we have 3a square and 22a, they are also not like terms, because with they are different in numerical coefficient as well as variable. The variable here is a square and here is just a, so they are not like terms, they are unlike terms. Coming to constant, a constant is a fixed quantity that does not change at any point or any situation. Like we have numbers, they will remain same everywhere. Coefficient, the coefficient of a variable is a number that is placed before and multiplying the variable. For example, here we have 3 multiplied by w. It can be written as 3w, like this. So 3 is the coefficient of w. Next we have expression, as we have discussed on the earlier slide. What are expression? An expression is combination of more than one terms. like 3x plus 4ab plus 5 a plus 17, p minus 5. Variable. A variable is a symbol used to represent a number in an expression or an equation. The value of this number can change and it depends on the equation given. Example, xy plus xy a b etc. Equation, it is again same as expression having equal sign with it. An equation consists of two expressions separated by equal sign. The expression on the one side of the equal has the same value as an expression on the other side. Here this much is expression, but the whole is an equation because it has equal sign, and on the one side of equal sign we have an expression, and on the other side a value which is equal to the expression. On the basis of all these things, we will try some sample problems here. Let's say the question is, write following phrase as an algebraic expression using the variable m. Okay, we need to use variable m. The question one is the product of a number and 6. So for the missing number we can use m. So m product means multiply by 6, it will turn to 6m. Okay, for second part, sum of a number and 5. Okay, so let's say the number, as we have missing number m add 5, or 5 adds m. You can write anyway, because while adding order does not matters. Question number 3, 8 less than twice the number, means the number which is missing, first we have to double it. Twice means doubling, so 2m, and it is less than 8 is less than 8. The question is 8 less than a twice number, so for this we will take away. 3 more than thrice the number. 3 more than means we are adding. 3 more than how much? Thrice the number. Thrice the number means multiply by 3. 3m is 15. So this is an equation now. This is an equation now, not an expression. This so this is what the motive of the video, this question is. If we have just this much, so it will form just an expression like this, 3 plus 3m. As soon as it got is 15, means it is having a value that is equal to that expression, so this will change to an equation. So remember this, that how to differentiate between expression and an equation. Now here we have some practice questions on the basis of this video. The objective we have covered. Pause the video, give them a try, and after that you may check your answers on the next slide provided for you. So here are your answers. I hope all your answers are correct. If yes, then you have made a noteworthy progress. That is all for this video. For more videos, you could log on to justtutors.com. Thank you.